If you shoot video and want to learn how to speed up the shooting of your video fast, then we are doing that right now. In this video, I'm going to share with you my #1 secret that I use to film my video very fast, and this can allow me to shoot a lot of video within a very short period of time. #1 secret that I use to shoot my video very fast is to use teleprompter. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use teleprompter to shoot your video very fast without people knowing that you are reading from the screen. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive right into the video. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then type teleprompter. So you have different teleprompter, but the one that you are going to use is this one. So install this one to your phone. I've already installed it on my phone. I will click on open to bring me to this interface. So you click my account to start your registration process. So we have not signed up, so we are going to click on sign up. So you can sign up with your Google account or you can sign up with your email. I'm going to sign up with my email. I'll click on email. I'll click on create an account because we don't have an account. We want to create a new account. So you enter your name, your email, your password, you confirm password, then you click on sign up. Once you are done with your details, click on sign up. So you're going to take it to this interface, but you are not going to pay. So you just click on this up to remove this. So that means we have signed up, so you can see your email now. So we are currently on the free version. So they are going to give you access to about 10 points that you can use to do your free video. So if you like this point, after finishing this 10 point, then you can do your subscription. So the next thing for you to start using this teleprompter, click on teleprompter here. So we have create new script, and we have a digital human. If you want to use an avatar or this digital AI images, you can click on that digital human. But we want to use a script, so we want to read from script, so you click on script. Once you click on script, it will take you to this interface. So the next thing is for you to add the title of the script, then you add your script here. You paste your script here. So on top here is the title. So it will give you the numbers of words. You can see the words here. So currently now I have about 4,522 words. That is what my script contains, and I can be able to do up to 5,000 words. That is the highest I can do in this free version. So to start my teleprompting, I click on start prompting to bring me to this interface. We want to also show our face, right? So we're going to click on camera because we want to also show our face in this video, but people will not know that we are using teleprompter to read the script for this video. So you click on camera to bring to this place. You click on allowed. So it will bring you to this interface, so you can see that your face is showing and also your script is showing on top. So you can also do some other settings. If you want to do, you can slow down the speed of the script, and you can also do some other settings. So if you want to do that, you click on this the icon on the menu to bring it to this interface. So you can see that you can adjust the font size, you can make it big, you can make it smaller. Then also if you click on the second icon, which is scroll speed, you can scroll the speed at which your script will be scrolling. So you can increase the speed, you can also reduce it to depending on the how you talk. So you can keep it at the rate at which you can match with what you are saying, so that your script will not move faster than what you are saying. If you click on color font, you can also change the color of the write-up depending on the color that you like to use for your script. So once you are done, then you go back. So if you want to start recording, then you click on this icon on the window that is red, then you can start doing your recording with your script. If you want your video to be on landscape, what you simply need is just to turn your phone, then you can start recording on landscape. So you can see that the script is on one side, then you can start shooting your video on landscape while you are reading from your script. You can also drag this icon down so that you can see more of your script. You can also position your script or drag your script down so that it can be more suitable on where you can start shooting your videos. So this is how to use teleprompter to shoot your video, and this will allow you to shoot your video very fast. This can give you that privilege for you to shoot a lot of video within a very short period of time. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment on the comment section. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So I will see you in my next video.